guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who may not know me, my name is Crystal and I like to do makeup. So for today we're gonna do a super fun and trendy look right now. I'm so excited to do this look because I used to do this all the time when I was in high school. I used to do this like every single day. Like it was my go-to look. So today we're gonna use something that I never use, which is tape. Yes. I do have eye shields, but I do not know where I put them. So we're just gonna go with tape. I know people who are shaving their eyebrows right now, but I am not gonna do that. Well, maybe in the future. I'm actually contemplating it, but we'll see. I'm gonna take this little Jessup detail shader. This is like a fluffy flat brush. And I'm gonna be using both of my Profusion shadows. I'm gonna start off with this one, which is the glitter and Glam, and I'm gonna be using the bottom ones. I think I'm gonna start with Rust, which is this light brown. So I am just going to apply this as if I were applying eyeliner, but just a bit above. So now I'm gonna take Risky, which is this dark brown right there. So I'm going to go right on the inner part and just softly blend that out. So now I'm gonna use Nightlife, which is the black, and I'm gonna apply that on the inside. You wanna make that sharp as you can. So now I'm taking my Pretty Vulgar ink liner and I am applying it with my Jessup wing liner brush, and I'm going to line really close to the waterline. Now I'm gonna take the same color I used the first time and I'm going to apply that on my bottom. And I'm gonna go in with the black. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna use my Kiss lashes. I love these lashes because they look super natural for a look like this. They just go perfectly. So I do recommend these lashes. Well, my loves, I think we are done. What do you guys think about this gorgeous look? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you guys can see more content from me. I hope you guys have a good one and enjoy your week.